Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all how I updated and improved my sister's laundry room to make it a really beautiful space for her laundry. So first things first, I'm just finishing up some of this unfinished drywall with some joint compound. You can find the tools for this at Home Depot, and there's also really great tutorials here on YouTube to help you with doing this process. Next, I was able to get everything painted, and once the paint was dry, I went in with some peel and stick tile. This tiling is actually really cool. I picked up mine from Amazon. I'll be sure to share links below, but this is a great way to update your space, and it's super affordable. As y'all can see, I definitely got plenty of tools and supplies from Home Depot, and that's where I picked up paint, the joint compound, the caulking I used to make sure that that peel and stick tile looked nice, and basically just any other finishing items to make sure that the job would look nice and pulled together once I was done. So definitely, if you're doing any home improvement, for sure check out your local Home Depot. I find them to be a little bit more affordable than Lowe's, but whatever you have in your area for home improvement, definitely tap into those resources and don't be afraid to ask questions while you're there. As you guys can see, it's coming along pretty well, and I'm just simply taking this foam roller and updating the white paint on these doors. You'll be surprised how dirty your doors and knobs can get over time. It's been years since these were painted, so they were long overdue for a little love, and a really great fresh coat of white paint made all the difference in bringing this space back to life, as you guys can see. Now be sure to use the right type of roller for the right type of finish, and I found this out by again checking out Home Depot and making sure I read the supplies in that painting section. This made the process of this smooth finish paint a lot easier because I'm using the proper type of foam roller in order to paint these doors. So be sure to make sure you get the right kind of rollers and brushes for the different surfaces that you may be painting when doing your DIY projects. So after I finish going over this and taking my time making sure I get these doors looking nice and bright and white, I'm going to do the doors on the other side and just touch up any areas that might need to be sharpened and brightened again. White paint, a great coat of white paint around the baseboards also makes all the difference and can really make the space look nice and fresh and modern, and it's an affordable way to really just improve your space and give it a new lease on life. So I really just made sure to take my time getting into all the grooves. You guys can see the contrast between the one side that I finished and the other side that needs to be done. All right, back into the laundry space. Here's a close-up of the peel and stick tile. As I said, I picked up some caulking from Home Depot, and that really made all the difference in creating what looked to be like almost a grout over this. So if you're going to use peel and stick tile, I definitely recommend taking the time to do this extra step because it will really make that tile look as though it's been grouted on, even though it is still peel and stick, and it can really improve the look of your peel and stick tile. So this is what this looked like, and this is not real marble, it's a faux stone, but it really has the look of stone when you come into the space, and it was a great way to update her laundry room. I wanted to make sure I didn't use materials that were too expensive because this is again a utility and laundry room. There might be, work that needs to be done in the area, leaks, things like that. I didn't want to bring any supplies in that were going to be too high maintenance. That way, if there's anything that needs to be moved around, it can absolutely be done so without being too much of a great expense. All right, y'all, so this is what it looks like once she got her units in. This area looks so much better, and she was so appreciative of how this came about. We went ahead and added a couple of personal touches as well as added in the product she's going to need for her laundry, and this is the before and after, y'all. As you can see, it looks totally different, a great updated space. Hopefully this has left you inspired to tackle your 2022 home projects, and thanks for watching, y'all. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.